Yo, welcome to day number 19. Be solving valid Sudoku, very popular question. Had this question when I did my quant developer internship interview, so I might as well revisit it. I did solve it, so see how well I do this time, and I'll just try to explain the process and see how we get. Okay, so you are given a 9x9 Sudoku board. Sudoku board is valid if following rules are followed. Each row must contain digits 1 to 9 without duplicates, and each column must contain a digits 1 to 9 without duplicates, and each of the 3x3 regions, sub-boxes of the grid must contain digits 1 to 9 without duplicates. So return true if the Sudoku board is valid, otherwise return false. Note, a board does not need to be full or solvable to be valid. So example, yeah, this is how Sudoku is playing, but if you're like, you wouldn't really care too much about that. So I think that's the example. So you want to return true if it's true, false if it's false. Okay, I got it. No, that's new. Okay, so let me zoom in. What do we want to do? Validate the Sudoku board. Return true if no duplicates. Row, call, or region. So check over each row, call, region, and so probably hash that since no duplicates. And yeah, it's a grid layout. So we want to go over and do the first. Let's just initialize it. And then we say hash char visited rows equals new hash char. Right. So we've got the rows. Now what do? We go over the column for this, and we say y9. We say char element is going to be equal to board x and y. So we select our element. Okay. So this is empty space is just gonna come back as a period, so we don't really want to do anything like that. So it's say just specify the condition. So if element is equal to period, could do something like this. Okay, and then if we can't add to the visited rows, then we say return false because it's a duplicate, that's why we can't add to it. Else, don't really need to do anything because at the end of the day, we're just returning true here. Yeah. For in y. So this was the rows, now we're doing the columns. In y equals 9, then we're going to say y plus plus, and we're going to say hash set, literally the same code here. But you go over y first and then x. Okay. The kind of code now, region is a bit more different, so we want, so region is 3 by 3, so we want to target 0, 3, 6. So for n region row equals 0. So then, okay, I guess we can kind of do this code again, but just switch it up a little bit. Yeah, let's just do that. Start weaving. Yeah, okay. So 4n x equals 0. I'm gonna, let's just do x, so it's easy. I was gonna do I, but I would done. It's not really a point right now. See, I even did that. 3, and then we say y plus plus, and then we're gonna say, so we want to target a value, but +1 because we're indexing at 0. So some place is gonna be like this, like 0, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8. We don't really want to do that. We want to just get a nice rounded number out of this. We'll do the exact same thing. So if the element is equal to that, we just say continue, and if can I add to the region checker, element, then we'll say return false, and what do we have true at the end? Yes, that's really quite long, but there was quite a simple pattern. 46. It's interesting. Okay. Easy. Perfect. Done. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for 5. Try and get me to 50. Peace.